What's going on with Pepe? We got to talk about this. Pepe coin plummeting 16.5% off 160 trillion Pepe moved to a centralized exchange. Why are investors getting spooked? That's the big question we're going to address here in this video. Full disclosure about Pepe, guys. I got in relatively late. Remember, this thing was like the talk of the town, right? This was a meme coin, and do I think it still has staying power? I think it has a chance, but now there's some fishy stuff going on here. We got to talk about it, okay? Full disclosure, I got into that project late. I got in at around $100 million market cap and still 10x'd. I sold a little bit after $1 billion. It went to like 1.7 billion. But I like 11 or 12x my money and got all the way out. That was cool. That was awesome back in May, right? And a lot of meme coins offer that opportunity, especially ones like this that generate all the hype. But this is why you don't hold on to things forever, and why, if you're going to hold on, you should also be trading at the same time. Lock in your profits, win the trade, and then have a bag, a moon bag, if you will, like Crypto Wendy says, and then see what happens, right? So Pepe right now falling, and there's some fishy stuff going on, and there's some articles out here. There's some things we need to address. So weird Pepe transfers are spooking crypto investors and prompt meme coins 15% plunge. By the way, I'm not coming out here fudding Pepe. I'm covering the news that is out on CoinDesk. And some people say, well, you're covering FUD. Listen, there's some things to back this up. Millions of dollars worth of Pepe have flooded crypto exchanges yesterday. Over 16 trillion tokens flowed out of Pepe multi-sig wallet midday Thursday on its way to addresses associated with Binance, OKX, and Bybit. That is not a good move. This action came shortly after on-chain sleuths noted troubling changes to the oversight of how that vault-like wallet handles transaction approvals. Let me bounce back over to this article. So here's what's happened. That action, here it is. Basically, instead of asking 5 out of 8 wallets on the multi-sig to confirm the transaction, it was changed to just 2 of the 8 wallets. Any reason why, this is somebody on Twitter, Crypto Naughty, any reason why the Pepe multi-sig wallet changed the threshold to just 2 out of 8 signatures seems weird. This isn't standard, right? Also seems that some has been sent to exchanges, as we just mentioned. These unusual transactions have confused the crypto community, leading to a 16.5% decrease in Pepe in the last 24 hours. Now, Pepe, we can take a look real quick about its market cap and what have you. Pepe still hanging on, but we are down 18%. We are back down to the 895 range right now on the price of Pepe. And market cap has come down a little bit as well in the process. Market cap now at 350 million. Volume sky high. A lot of that selling pressure, but we're back down to a $350 million market cap. So you can see that it is the top loser right now. It's ranked number 89, but it's the top loser out of the top 100. Now, coming back inside this right here. So, again, this is the big concern. Instead of requiring 5 of 8 wallets, it only changed to 2 out of the 8, allowing them to then send 16 trillion tokens to Binance, OKX, and Bybit. The highly unusual action represented the first time the project's all-important multi-sig, keeper of much of the token supply, has ever sent out the meme coin. Pepe's price plunged on this news, and it has spooked investors. We're going to have to keep an eye on this, a close eye on this, but this is not a good look for Pepe. We'll continue to cover it, of course, because I know a lot of people are still interested in this and want to see this content, but that is why we had the big sell-off. We're going to continue to see what happens next with the meme coin that dominated 2023. But as always, this is another example of take your damn profits when you invest in meme coins. Take your damn profits. And again, you want to have a moon bag after that? More power to you. But win the trade, then worry about the moon bag later. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.